Born to an entire family of doctors, mother, father, brother, all surgeons. At a very young age, I decided I don't want to be a doctor. I wanted to be a jeweler like my grandfather. I decided to pursue commerce in Morning College and took up a job as a diamond assorter for 5 years. Graduated from the Gemological Institute of America. I came back to India with a target of becoming a prominent jeweler. Having set up a strong domestic brand catering to the top clientele of India, high-end handmade jewelry, I had my eyes set on the international markets of Japan, America and Europe, and set up the first factories in the export zone of Bombay in the early 1990s. Tara Jewels divides its business into 3 key operations: manufacturing, exports and retail. I was able to build a company that actually bred thorough professionals.
Our US-based product development team spends extensive time in our factories working with our production and technical people in order to exchange ideas and brainstorm new products. As a result, we're able to consistently maintain our edge in a highly competitive market and provide our customers a beautifully crafted product with a high perceived value that keeps them coming back for more.
Tara China was added to the Tara Group in September 2008. The advantages of having an additional manufacturing facility are threefold. First of all, it allows us to be in close proximity to the major gem color stone gem market of the world. Secondly, it allows us to tap into a highly skilled China labor workforce. Lastly, it provides a base of operation for us to be involved in the growing China retail market.
We at Tara have built a strong customer base and capture very quickly the latest design trends in each market. Since European customers are constantly looking for high quality level products, we have established highest benchmarks in the quality of our jewelry. We exhibit at the most important jewelry trade shows like Basel and Vicenza.
We follow a low-risk business model. We have a credit insurance policy in place which protects us from bad debts and protracted defaults. We have an inherent risk management policy in place to hedge us against gold price volatility. We have long-term relationships with key customers, thereby ensuring repeated orders. The company operates on an ERP platform, namely SAP, which integrates all our business processes and operations.
This vast, rich, best business practices are incorporated into our local brand Tara Jewelers, bringing true value to the customers that we cater to. This value can be seen in the way we have laid out our stores, in our product and its finish, in the pricing of our product, in the services that we offer along with our product, and the way we brand our product.
So we did extensive research with a company called Third Eye, and based on our research findings came up with a store format that we believe is smart, scalable and sustainable. It's about 1,000 square feet average, always located in jewelry clusters and is a high street format. It has some unique features. There's something called a browse wall. So for the first time, consumers can actually touch and feel jewelry really close up. We have consultation tables. We have an open workshop where consumers can actually see their jewelry being set, polished, repaired, cleaned. We also have something called the collections wall where larger pieces are displayed. We have an education wall and other features to educate consumers. In terms of retail footprint, in all these cities, we tend to position ourselves in jewelry clusters. and on high streets. We prefer high street locations. We like to be in the jewelry markets. In terms of product, our stores carry an equal amount of gold jewelry and diamond jewelry. As far as the gold jewelry is concerned, all of it is Government of India BIS hallmarked, and as far as the diamond jewelry goes, all of it is third party International Gem Labs certified by outside labs. We have now decided to take ourselves onto television, and towards that end have shot not one but 2 commercials, taken a very different approach, we like to believe, where one of them has a strongly emotional appeal, the other has what we believe to be a strongly rational appeal, and they both combine to create the entire composite communication. I'd really like you to take a look at these commercials.
डियर पापा, सॉरी मैंने आपसे बहुत झूठ बोला है। झूठ कि मैं टाइम पे नहीं उठ सकती थी ताकि रोज आप मुझे उठाएं। मैंने झूठ कहा था कि आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट आकाश ताकि आप उसे अच्छी तरह से जान सकें।
मैंने भी झूठ बोला था बेटी, तुम्हारी शादी पे रहूंगा नहीं। मेरी बच्ची।
जिंदगी के अटूट रिश्तों के लिए तारा। मैं वादा करता हूं 7 जन्म सिर्फ तुम्ही से प्यार करूंगा, तुम्हें जिंदगी भर सुरक्षित रखूंगा। मैं तुमसे हमेशा सच कहूंगा, वक्त अच्छा हो या बुरा सदा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा। हर पल हर कदम तुम्हारे साथ चलूंगा। हर अटूट रिश्ता शुरू होता है एक अटूट वादे से। ऐसा ही एक वादा आज हम भी करते हैं आपसे। तारा।